uh, I want you to like please open your data sets. So आपको कुछ data set कुछ इस तरह से रहेगा. Can you see all of you? This is a data set you have with you. Everyone, right? So this is the kind of a Twitter stock market data set. So we have the high, open, low, close, and adjacent close volume columns has been given to us. So I hope it is visible all of you. Can you able to open it? Everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. So whenever guys you want to upload the data set in the particular SSMS, okay, be sure that your particular SSMS folder as well as the extension of this SSMS and the extension of this particular file, okay, it should get matched. Otherwise, you're going to get an error, okay? So first of all, let's create one database. It will be best. Let's create a database from, suppose I have the database called as data upload, okay, where I'm going to upload my Excel sheets. Okay, so I'll execute it. You can see we have created our database. Now let's use the database we want. So data upload done. Now we into the data upload database. Can you see all of you? Okay, if you want to check it out, you can see here. All of you, have you created a database you want? You can go step by step. Can you see? Is it visible? Okay, just repeat after me, okay? All of you, once it's done, do let me know, okay? In the chat box or just unmuting yourself. Done with the database creation? All of you, everyone? Done with the creation, all of you? Shall I move further?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. So you can see here is a database which contains all the different types of objects in the database.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, can you start SQL from beginning of the session?
Beginning of this session.
Doubt because SQL from beginning of the session.
Beginning of this session.
Doubt because sir, some doubt are there. So.
Okay, I'll start from beginning of this session. Let me complete this doubt. Okay, so whatever doubts you have, you can list down. Okay, in this topic, so in this topic I have doubts. So I'll start with the beginning. Okay, it is not problem. Just list down the basically from starting with the beginning. The lecture will go into like the length of the lecture will going to basically expand lots of time. Right, it will take lots of time. Starting from the session,
Okay,
I'll
fine.
start in the revision part. Okay, I'll do the revision. Okay, if it is fine,
Okay,
I'll do the revision for you.
Okay, okay.
But just
okay.
as of now, let me clear this one. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, perfect. So I hope like everyone have created a database and they can able to see here in the database objects, right? All of you, सबका दिख रहा है यहाँ पे? Everyone is comfortable with the English and Hindi, right? ऐसा कोई है who doesn't understand the Hindi language in this session? Or if you understand the both one, if I'll be bilingual, just say guys something. Say no, yes, no.
Yes, yes. Mostly go through with English, no?
Yes, definitely. I'll mostly go to the English only. Don't worry. Okay. So you can see we have basically created our database, right? And we have basically used in the our current database. So guys, if you want to jump into current database, you want to work on, so you can able to use the use command for it, right? Now, just do the right click here. Okay, do the right click. Just go after me. Okay, just do the right click. Go on task option. Can you see on task options, all of you? Okay, right click on this database. Go on task options and go to second last data, guys. Import data. Can you see all of you? Import data. If you have the data, guys, you can able to import in the CSV format. Okay, the table in the data table. And if you want, you can able to import also. So right here, the export data option is given to you. Okay, so can you able to see, guys, import data, all of you, everyone? Please give me something, high five, something or something like. Do let me know some signal. You got this kind of an options, all of you? ये option आ रहा है सबको? Okay, okay, okay. So please give me some signals, okay? You can unmute yourself, guys. Otherwise, मुझे check करना पड़ेगा mic बार-बार chats को. So can you see this import data? Okay, so just click on that, guys. You have to just click on this import data. Okay, this is called as a wizard window. Okay, now this is called as, guys, a wizard window where you basically upload our data sets into the databases. Okay, in a SQL databases basically. So I click on next. Okay, I'll click on next. Now you can see after clicking on next, it means what is a data source, means from which particular source you want to pull your data from. Okay, so there are lots of sources has been given, guys. We have the ODBC, we have the Oracle, we have the SQL Server, we have the file source, access. Okay, lots of options has been given. But as of now, we require our data from the Excel, right? All of you, we want to require our data from the Microsoft Excel. Everyone, am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so just click on this Microsoft Excel. The moment you click on the Microsoft Excel, you can see the Excel file path, right? All of you, can you see this particular window? Everyone, is it visible? Guys, is it visible, this window?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So just give me some kind of feedback so I can able to come to know.
Sure, sure.
Okay. Now, guys, if you can see which kind of an Excel versions basically it is given here. Can you see? 97 2003. Okay, the most supported. Okay, and without any kind of an error. Okay, if you don't want to get any kind of an error while uploading the data set, okay, the most suitable versions we have in SSMS, that is 97 2003. Although we have all the other options, can you see 2007 2010 13 16? Okay, but these are the options, guys, which is available. Okay, most of the people doesn't have this kind of a version. Okay, they mostly have this 97 2003 in the Excel data sheets. Okay, so keep selecting this option. Now go to this data set again. Okay, come to this data set which I've given to you. Okay, then go to file option and save this data set, guys. Okay, you can able to save this data set. If you want, you can able to save it anywhere you want. Okay, suppose I'm saving in downloads and save this data set, guys. Can you see here, save as type? Okay, click on this save as type and come here, call as a 97 2003 workbook. Can you see, all of you? 97 2003 workbook option. All of you are getting this options, everyone? Guys, go down. मिला सबको ये option? All of you? Did you got this one? 97 2003 workbook? All of you?
Yes, yes.
Perfect. So just select this option, okay? And you can see, do you getting, guys, any kind of an Excel 2010, Excel 2013, Excel 2016, any kind of an option like that, except for 97 2003 in this format? No, right? Because that comes from the by default from the Excel side, right? If you have the latest Excel, okay, 2021 2022, you can able to get it. If you have the 2016 version, then only it will going to save. Okay, so this 16 13 10, these options are might not available for everyone, right? But this 97 2003 workbook, no matter in which particular versions you are in the Excel, okay, it is available for everyone. That's why we mostly go prefer for the 97 2003. Remember, if you have the CSV data, then please convert that into 97 2003 Excel workbook format. Okay, you can see here, so you can select it out and save. Okay, now, guys, your data set has been saved with a 97 2003 format. Okay, with a .xlx extension. Now click on browse, basically where you have saved your data. Okay, at which location you have saved your data. Click on that browse, navigate to that particular locations. Now you can able to see, guys, it basically, you can see it has been recommended that 97 2003, right? It takes automatically. You can see here Microsoft Excel 97 2003 worksheets. So just select it out. Done till here, all of you? Any doubts?
No.
Perfect. Now go to next option. Now this is the destination, means where you want your data set from where to where. Okay, कहाँ से कहाँ तक आपको अपने data set को चाहिए. So this is
Sir, hello.
yes.
When I press the next, now it's showing that SQL Server import wizard, the operation could not be completed. Additional information. The Microsoft SOLDB file provider is not registered on the local machine.
Okay. Okay, while the installations, which options you have selected, basic or advanced or custom?
I didn't remember because the way Professor did explain, I just checked those
Because it
options.
depends upon the guys, which kind of extensions you are basically selecting, which kind of options you are selecting while downloading the SQL Server. Okay, it should be the basic one rather than going for advanced or customs. Okay, so okay, let me finish this, then I'll come to
No.
okay.
Okay.
Let me check what is the issue. Okay, now this is the destination, guys. So destination, definitely we want the SQL Server, right? So click on this and go at last. Okay, go at last. Can you see Microsoft OLDB provided for SQL Server? All of you, can you see this last option at your PCs? Everyone, can you see this option? All of you, Microsoft OLDB provided for SQL Server.
Can you show me again how to go there?
Destination. See, you are here, right? After selecting this data source, giving the Excel file path, getting the versions, right? You are here in this window. Click on this. Click on this next option. So the moment you come next option, you can see destination is showing. Can you see here? All of you? Destination. Right? So click on this destination. Click on this drop down. This is called drop down. Right? All of you? मिला सबको यहाँ पे? This Microsoft OLDB provided for SQL Server. Okay, last option. So just click on that last option, guys. You can see this type of basically interface. Did you getting, all of you, this type of interface? Everyone?
I'm not getting it. I'll just connect you once you finish this.
Okay. So it's in the okay, yes. Okay, so you can see, guys, the moment you basically selected this Microsoft OLDB provider for SQL Server, okay, it detected your server name. What's your basically server name you have? Okay, in which server you basically are connected. So you have connected just with a local server only. Okay, that's why you're getting this server name. The moment you click on this drop down options, okay, it will search for the another servers which you have basically connected. Okay, so just now we are in the local machine. Let's wait some kind of an hang process. Okay, so we have basically connected with this server name. Okay, this is a local server. Now you can see it uses the Windows authentication. Now there are, guys, two types of authentication methods so we basically use in the SQL Server, right? One is the SQL Server authentication. One is the Windows authentication. So Windows authentication is said to be the local authentication. So it means you have basically set up your whole SQL on the local part. SQL Server authentication means basically you have the servers at a different ends. Okay, there are two things, right? One is the client, one is the server, right? So you might be having the server at the suppose the Brazilian locations, or maybe the Zimbabwe locations, or maybe at the USA locations, or maybe some Japan locations. Okay, you might be having the server at a different locations. Okay, so for that you can able to use the SQL Server authentications. Okay, but for now we'll keep everything as by default. Okay, don't touch it anything, guys. जैसा है वैसा का वैसा ही रहेगा यहाँ पे. I'm just explaining the things. Now you can see it basically you want in which particular database you want to upload its data set. Okay, you can able to see all of you the data set base which I've created just now as a fresh. I can see data upload, right? So you can able to select your database from here. So I want my this in data upload. Already we have the other 4 databases, which is by default master, model, MSDB, TempDB. I hope like you have know the working of this all the 4 databases. Okay, so this is the data upload database we have created. Now click on new next. Can you see, all of you? Keep everything as by default. Okay, click on next. Okay, just like the first option only, copy the data from one more tables or views. Okay, keep this option as it is. Now click on next. Yeah, everyone, did you got this here? All of you? यहाँ तक आए सब लोग? You can see source, see users download TWTR XLX format से destination तक हम आ गए यहाँ पे, right? And you can able to see this particular one table. If you have one sheet in that particular one workbook, then guys, you can able to see at least one sheet. If you have the multiple worksheets, you can able to see all the multiple worksheets here. Okay, got it? So we have the one worksheet here. Can you see this TWTR? That's why I can able to see here TWTR. Okay, if you have the multiple worksheet, guys, you're going to get a multiple worksheet options here. Okay, and you can able to select from which worksheet you want the data from, and then you can able to do the things. Okay, so I hope like everyone got this window, all of you. आया सबका यहाँ पे window? Other candidates? Jayesh, Kamal, Nilesh, Akshay.
Yeah,
What do
I have one doubt.
you-
Right. You get a TWRS. It was only one sheet, right, in Excel?
Yes. We have
What we have many, like
and
three
you'll
or
get
four.
options here. There you'll get options here. The sheet
Okay,
names. Okay, if you have the sheet 2, then sheet 2, sheet 3, all the options will be shown here. Okay, so you can able to
okay,
select it out which particular sheet you want the data from. So you can able to select from here, right? And you can able
okay,
to preview your data here. So you can see.
okay.
So all the data basically come here, right? You can preview it, right? Whatever sheet you're going to select. Okay,
Right. Okay.
perfect. If you want to edit the mappings, you can able to edit the mappings also. Like okay, mappings means guys different mapping techniques we have, so you can able to do it. Okay, later on you're going to basically learn this all the things in a Pro Power BI and the SQL only, I guess. Okay, so this is your particular interface. Now click on just next, guys. Okay, keep everything as it is. Don't do anything, any kind of options. Okay, click on next again. Now you'll get this kind of an basically steps. What are the steps basically you have performed? All the steps has been given here. Okay, and then you can click on finish. Now you can see 2,264 rows has been transferred to your databases. You can see you got this, the execution was successful. If you got this message, it means guys, it's done. Okay, now you can able to close the window. Okay, again come here, do the right click and refresh your database. You can refresh the tables, you can expand the tables. You can see guys, DBO, TWTRS, right? So here you can able to write select star from, right? How you can able to fetch the table, by using the select option. And then guys, you can see here, execute, you all have data sets inside your SQL Server. Can you see? Everyone? Just give me 1 minute. Yeah, sorry for interruption. Yeah, guys, everyone got to know this one? How we can import our Excel data into SQL Server, Excel sheets into a SQL Server. All of you?
Can you show it again, please? Because due to network connection, I am not able to see the start of this. So I'm not able to know how to start with this.
Okay, I'll go. Okay, let me basically ask other participants. Yeah, whoever is present, guys, all of you understand? You have done it behind me, right? Everyone? Okay, I'll show it again. But before that, who is basically getting that error while doing this particular thing? What is the name of the candidate? You're getting the OLDB error.
Yeah, I was getting that error.
Can you please share a screen? Do let me know.
Sure. I'm sharing the screen. Please confirm once you're able to see my screen.
Yeah, it is visible.
So I'm clicking here.
Okay.
Task.
First of all, go into that database.
This is the database, data upload.
Be inside the database. You haven't gone into database. Now give me the remote control. Okay, so currently you can able to see you are working with a master database. Can you see? When you click on
Yes.
this, okay, you
Yes.
can able to navigate from here, like in this way, or you can able to use this command also for it. Okay, that's why we are giving this command, the use command.
Okay.
Now you are inside this database. Okay, so what are the
Okay.
operations you'll perform? You're going to perform on this one. So I hope you have the Excel sheet with you, right?
Yes. Miss, I have another sheet. I didn't have that sheet. What you were
Okay,
projecting there?
you have basically saved as a 97 2003, right?
Yes, I have missed that.
Okay, okay, perfect. Let's navigate. Do the right click.
Task.
Okay. Who is that? Nivedita, you can please like watch it again, okay? How I performing the things, although we are basically solving some technical issues. So do the right click here, click on task option and go to import data, right?
Data. Yes.
Till here you're getting the things, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you have to select the Microsoft Excel, right?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. I click on browse. So where you have saved that?
Screener 2. Screener 2 is the data. Screener 2 is the 97 format data.
Screener 2. Okay, perfect. Now you can see
Yes.
Screener 2.
Mhm.
Perfect. Now click on next. So here you are getting the error, right?
Data was reading a data.
Okay. It might be some kind of an supporting errors you are getting here.
What happened?
I don't know.
Solution.
Okay, done. You have gone
Yes.
into destinations, right? So select a destination here. At last option, that is OLE provided for SQL Server, right? The
Yes.
server name. This is a particular database. Click on next.
Now it is not coming.
Click on next.
Wait.
Now you can see there are two sheets in that. I can able to see. So I'll import both of them. Okay. Now you can able to do the preview here. The preview data could not be retrieved, could not be, okay. They're not able to find the data. How the two sheets hasn't come. Okay, are you sure? Can you like please show me the data? I want to check it out.
Yeah.
Checking it out. Okay. It's Screener 2, right?
Yes, Screener 2.
You see the data you have. See? Cannot be accessed and the file may be corrected located on a server that is not responding read only. Right, the file is encrypted one. Okay, where is the Telegram group?
Screener as a Telegram group, I don't have on my laptop.
So,
It is on my mobile.
how did you got the data set then?
It's from Telegram group. I'm forwarding it here.
Wait. Can you like do the Telegram login here? Okay. Is it fine?
Yes.
Okay, everything seems fine because you are not having the correct data set with you, right? It's the corrupted data you're loading into. Now, go to the settings option on your Telegram of your phone and go to devices and link desktop. Click on that link desktop device.
Yes. Link now, where it is available?
Link desktop device. There's options is there on settings. Okay. If we go to the devices option, devices below the chat folders, below the chat folder device, and then you can able to see the link device, desktop device. Just click on that link desktop device. We'll see the camera and just put a camera here in front of your screen.
Yes, that's correct.
That's good. Now, this is the data, right?
Yes. Excel assignment.
No. This is your data set.
Yeah.
So let's download this. Done. Okay, let's open this. Perfect. This is the data set now.
Yeah.
Click on enable editing. Go into file section. You have to basically save this as a 97/2003 format, right?
Yes.
So I'm saving into different locations. So suppose I'm saving.
Save it on C drive.
Okay, give me the location. Okay, C drive.
C drive Nilesh.
Nilesh.
Data science down.
Data science.
Data science coach.
You are basically applied for data science.
Yeah, data science.
Okay.
SQL.
SQL.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm basically saving to 97/2003. Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. First of all, you have to remove this from your path. So this one, right? Remove this. It is not. Shit.
Open the session.
Yeah, it is basically open. So I'm canceling all the operations. Okay. I'm canceling everything.
Just save it because before that.
Yeah, we'll save it out. But first of all, let's delete this. Done. Now we'll save it. Okay. So Nivedita, you can see, okay, we have this data set with us, okay, and we want to import this data set in our SQL server, okay. So we can't able to do that directly. So I basically saved this file in 97/2003 extension. Can you see? Go to the save as options. Okay, you can browse it where you want to save it, and you can able to drag and drop, and you can able to save it in this extension. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so once you have saved that in 97/2003 extension, come to your SQL server again. So just follow up the things. So create a one database. You can create with any name you want, okay, and be inside a database. Go into that database. Create a database using database command, and to be into that database, you can use the use command.
Okay.
Once this is done, do let me know.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, actually my object explorer is hide. So how to get that?
I guess you're having the tools options from here. You can get to the object explorer. I don't know even the settings options of this SSMS that much, but you can able to get it from here. Something. Wait. I basically have hide the object explorer. Can you like press can you press F8 on your SSMS?
Okay,
Is it coming?
checking.
Or just navigate
Yes,
to.
yes, got it. Thank you.
You can navigate to the view also, and you can able to see object explorer, right?
Yes, yes, got it. Thank you.
Yeah, Nivedita, is it done till here?
Create database.
If it isn't, do let me know. It's a work of just a 10 second. Can I move forward? Yeah, guys, you all can also check out, okay? If anyone haven't basically got this one, how we have done the previous step. So you can able to check out.
Can I share my screen? I'm
I'm
just getting some error.
Which error? Okay, I'll come to you again after this, okay? So just you can watch it now. So just do the right click here, click on this task options, and click on this import data, okay? So guys, at least you should know this kind of steps again and again, because you require this kind of things multiple times, okay? दिन में at least 1000 बार तो ये करना पड़ेगा आपको data source को import करना. Now, can you see Microsoft Excel? Okay, data source Microsoft Excel, okay? Then click on browse. So where we have saved that here, right? So click on this. Now click on next. Destination you already know, that is provider for SQL Server, right? So click on next. and click on next. Let's see the preview. Perfect. Now you're getting the data set. Can you see? Nilesh?
Yes.
Yeah, perfect. So click on OK. Click on next. Click on finish and finish. So hopefully it should be done. Perfect. Now it's done. Can you see? 2024 rows has been transferred. Close this. Do the again right click and do the refresh option. Now you can see, you can expand a table option here and you can able to see your particular database. Can you see here? Right. If I'll click on the select star from and let's drag and drop here. And now you can see. Right? You got it.
So is this data miss linked with the Excel? If I'm going to make any changes in the Excel?
No. This is not basically linked with Excel. The whole data set has been imported from Excel to here.
Okay. Got it.
You have to make the changes here only. Whatever changes you have to do with the help of queries. Okay, and you have to perform all the operations here. Okay, so whatever data sets you have with you, instead of saving on a local folder, you can save all the data sets here.
Okay. Thank you.
No worries.
Can I share my screen now?
Yeah, you can. Are you sharing your data, please? Share it fast.
I think I am having some network issue. It is not able to share the screen.
Wait. No matter what kind of network issues you have, you can share it easily.